Hi and welcome back. Finally something interesting is happening. Cylinder heads. The plan is to make it in two pieces. I'm trying to copy the combustion chamber from the Briggs & Stratton engines to the underside here, and then I'm going to make an upper part so I can make water channels in between. Yeah. So here is the Briggs & Stratton cylinder head, and this shape I'm trying to make a copy of. I have also made from a piece of aluminium, so I can make the copy 2 millimeters higher. Then I can machine everything down to the right size. And here it is. I took some epoxy filler that I had and filled this space. Put a metal plate on and some guide pins here, and then I painted it to make it a little more slippery. So a copy of the combustion chamber, and now then I have taken a piece of wood and carved out space for the combustion chamber here and drilled some holes for the guide pins. So now I'm going to fill this space with epoxy filler, press this in, and then same thing. That's the plan. Let's see if it works. Okay, here it is, and I must say I'm quite happy with it. Just tidy it up a little bit, sand it and a little paint so I get a nice surface, and then over to the upper part. So now it's time for the upper part of the cylinder head. That's an easier part. I'm just going to round the corners here and make some holes for the spark plugs. Of course, I could have done this with standard square pieces of aluminium, but that's no fun. So, quite nice. I shall have a hemisphere here, so I can make the connection for where the warm water is going out. But so far, so good. My milling machine looks like chic anyway, but that's another story. here it is. I will attach this with ordinary bathroom silicone because then it will be easy to move it, because when I do the next cylinder bank it's going to be placed here. So I can use this model for both sides. Also this one I can use for both sides. I don't even have to do any changes on it. The machining is a little bit different, but that's another side. So now both models are ready. So it's time for some casting, as soon as the weather allows it, because it's quite windy outside. But it will come.